Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I'd like to show you how you can edit forms within your KW DocuSign room. First, let's click into the room. And there's two different types of forms that you can have within your KW DocuSign room. So I'm going to click here on the Documents tab and show you the difference. So if you've come up here to add forms and you've added forms from your DocuSign forms right here, these forms appear in your room with the blue icon right here that says form. And these particular forms already have fields built into them where all you have to do is click on the form once it's in your room. And once the form opens, you should see information from your Opportunity Details tab and your DocuSign Room Details tab already pre-populate onto the form for you. So you should see things like your contact's name, your name or your company's name, as well as maybe the address if it has to do with the listing opportunity. So some information should pre-populate for you, as well as any of these fields that you see. You can go ahead and put your cursor in those fields and begin adding data as you need to. Okay, go ahead and select any radio buttons you need. As you go through the documents, you will notice that the signatures at the very end of a form may not appear. As you can see here, the signature lines do not have any fields. You will see those populate once you are in the envelope. Once you're preparing the digital envelope to send these for signature, then you will see the signature line. Once you're done entering the data on your form, click Save and Close. At any time, if you need to come in and edit or correct one of these DocuSign forms with the blue icon, you can simply do the same thing. You just click on the form, edit the fields just as I showed you, and then click Save and Close. The other type of form that you may have in your DocuSign room is what we call a flat PDF. It's this right here where you have the red icon that says PDF beside it. Now, this would be a form that you would have either emailed into your DocuSign account or come over here to the Add button, and you may have uploaded it from your device or another source. So I'll show you this real quick, just to click Computer and choose one of our PDFs here that we have available. It uploads into the room. Now, for this particular type of form, again, a PDF, something that you have either emailed into your DocuSign or you've uploaded it from another source, essentially anything other than DocuSign forms, they do not have pre-populated fields on them. When I click on them to make an edit, you will see that there are no fields to change. It may take just a second here to open. Let's try it again. There it is. So you can see there's no fields on this to actually enter any data into. So you'll actually edit a flat PDF in the envelope. So we'll click X here, choose this PDF, choose to create an envelope. And we do have a tip video that shows you how to actually set up this entire envelope. I'm going to skip the details just to show you where the point is that you can make edits to a PDF here. So definitely go check out that tip video. It's called Create and Send a DocuSign Envelope, and it is on our YouTube channel. But we'll go ahead and just simply add in a recipient. We have our PDF here, And we're just going to go ahead and click next to get to the point. Oop, it took out our name. Just a second. There we go. We'll go ahead and get to the point where we will click next. And this is where you get to where you can make edits to the PDF. This is actually where you can start using your building blocks over here on the left-hand side and drag over your signature, your date signed. If you need to add text boxes or even check boxes, things like this, you can add all the forms that you need to and enter them here, make edits as you need to, and then you proceed with sending your envelope. So again, two different types of forms, two different ways to edit them. DocuSign forms will be edited right there within your DocuSign room, and a PDF form will actually need to be edited within the envelope. If you have any questions about this or anything else to do with your KW platforms, feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email address is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.